I have $130 left to thrift for my new apartment. Today I want to find a fun bedside lamp. Let's go to a thrift store. Wait a second. Is that a church pew? Communion table, close enough. And is this the organ that was at the church? Please talk me out of buying this gumball machine. I've been looking for a vintage bar cart, but this one is really plasticky, so I'm going to say no to it even though it's a bar cart. This is a vintage lamp, but I do not like the look of it. Do you? 2 more lamps to go, and oh, there's a red one over there. Let's take a closer look. It is, oh, a kid's lamp. Oops. Have you seen these before? These are not lamps, but these are old vintage speakers from an iMac G4. I think this is a mirror or an art piece. It's kind of fun, actually. I have been finding so many exit signs randomly. Next, we have a leg lamp. She is cute, but I do not need her. Cute desk for someone, but not for me. This could be really good. This is a gorgeous chair, but there's only one. Imagine if there had been 4. Could I just get an entire popcorn machine? Okay, do you see this label? It says Moschino, and I always say it wrong. I'm sorry. But let's take a close. So there's this cute little lips wallet beside it. This is just from the dollar store, and unfortunately, these are very, very fake. The older I get, the better I was. Who would want this in their house? Okay, I didn't find anything today, but I did find this light earlier this week, and I have some good news for my Thriftmas. For one of my Thriftmas gifts, I found this, the Kooples shirt. It's actually so nice. It was $12, so this is gonna go in for a gift. And I may have had some rag and bone jeans as well. There'll be a new video about that coming out soon, so follow along if you want to see. And tell me what you thrifted lately.